Here I will explain basics of Python to review for beginner. Okay, at first we create a file. Right click here, Python file. Okay, let's say hello. Press enter. File created. Okay. Now what I'm going to do? Print. Is this a smaller? Print. Am learning Python. Okay. Done. Now here is the run button. Click run. You see, I am learning Python. It execute the result. Right. This is how to create Python and run. Now I'm going to add to value. Right here, create file, add value. Okay. A equal to, it's a 3. B equal to 9. C equal to A plus B. Right. Now write print C within bracket C. All right. Now see here. You see result is 12. This is how to add to value in Python. All right. So here is hello world, how to print, and I am also adding to number, right? Now I have to show statement, right? If else test. If else test. Okay. Right. A equal to 9, B equal to 3. If A greater than B. So this is actually a syntax. You have to use the semicolon when this condition ends. Press enter. Print that A is greater than B. Else print A is smaller than B. So here both, when the condition is, you have to use semicolon, else you have to semicolon. If the condition is true, it will execute if body part. If this statement is false, it will not execute this part, it will execute else part. Okay, this is in the all programming language concept, more or less same language fundamental. If the condition is true, it will enter in the body of if. Now see here, A greater than B. A is 9, B is 3. So this is true, so this line will execute. See, A is greater than B. Now if you change this value, let's say here 30, then this is false, so it will execute, else will execute. Okay, is smaller. A is smaller. Okay, and another, let's say, for loop. Just for loop. Simple, like for I in range. That's a 3. Okay. Print I. This is just a normal syntax. Think about a syntax. This is a syntax. This is a loop. It will start from it will start and end. It will start from 1 and end till 3. It means 0, 1, 2. This is 0, 1 to 3. Okay. The range. This is syntax. When you write this is semicolon, and you want to print this is printed. So this is basic of Python. review and practice. Thank you.